tunlai shileng hlom coronavirus COVID-19 chungchanga competitive exam shrang-shranga question chuak thek turang chi multiple choice question objective type tuntuma hianin kan thlir ho le don ani pakhatna when the human coronavirus was first identified. Answer 1960s. The word MERS recently seen in news is related to which of the following? MERS hi Middle East Respiratory Syndrome tinani. Answer Saudi Arabia. Kumsang nile sompatnia ani. SARS or Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome was first reported from which of the following regions? Answer Guangdong. Kumsang nile patniani. Which of the following is newly discovered form of coronavirus? Answer Novel CoV. Which of the following is a symptom of Wuhan coronavirus? Answer Pneumonia. Which of the following test is associated with Wuhan coronavirus? Answer PCR polymerase chain reaction test. Which of the following chemicals can be used as a cure to coronavirus? Answer no specific drug has been found till date. Which organization declared coronavirus as global health emergency? Answer WHO. Common cold is a dash disease. Answer viral. WHO on 11 February 2020 announced official name for the disease that caused 2019 novel coronavirus. What is the name of the disease? Answer COVID-19. Which of the following diseases are related to coronavirus? Answer both A and B, SARS and MERS. Mild symptoms of novel coronavirus are Answer fever, cough, shortness of breath. Answer D, all of the above. The reason coronavirus is called due to Answer its crown-like projections. What are the precautions that used to be taken to protect from coronavirus? Answer cover your nose and mouth when sneezing. The first case of novel coronavirus was identified in Answer Wuhan, Hubei, China. The coronavirus outbreak was declared a public health emergency of international concern by WHO on Answer: January 30, 2020. Who declared the coronavirus COVID-19 outbreak a global pandemic? Answer: WHO, World Health Organization. WHO declared the coronavirus COVID-19 outbreak a global pandemic on Answer: 11 March 2020.